Hi guys, and I'm really excited about this product. Been waiting for a long time. So I got my hands on today on the Nokia 3310, the legend, This used to be the first phone that I had, and the amount of fun it used to be, keeping the simplisticness as well as the toughness. And thanks to Nokia, the product has been relaunched in India, and I was looking for the grey, but I happened to get a blue. So the pricing currently for the 3310 is 35. Seems to be not happening. All right, I will put this in focus, so I'll just put the notes later. So this is the phone, and Nokia is promising a replacement guarantee, as you can see, and the conditions applied, of course. So the product is sealed, and I purchased it near my place. So as the spec says, it's very simple. It's a 2 MP camera, and the standby time is 25 days and 25.3 days. That's 25 days and 3 hours, and a talk time of 22 hours, 22 hours and 10 minutes, I guess. So Snake is preloaded. It has Opera Store games, FM radio, micro SD. It supports micro SD as well. This goodness wasn't there back then, but it was a beautiful pixelated dot display. Pixel dot display, I guess. Forgive me if I'm wrong. So, yep, this is a look around the box, and let's go ahead and unbox this. Let me put this aside, and real excited for this phone. Actually, I happened to tell my retailer nearby, who's a known friend, so he happened to get me the product. Well, as soon as we open the box, we're greeted with the phone itself. Whoa, this is light, way too light. It is light, and it's in the blue that Nokia used to shine previously in the basic handsets. I believe people using 3310s, 3315 and all the previous gen phones, they would seriously know it. And let's dive into the box. So the box has the battery, and Nokia has got back, and this is a 1200 mAh battery from Nokia, which is 3.7 volts, made in China by HMD Global. And we get a micro USB cable. Okay, the cable is attached, so it's not like the detachable cables like we get for our Android phones. And we do get a headset. Typical Nokia. Decent product. I wouldn't complain for the price range. Them throwing in a headset with it, wouldn't complain. So let's try. Oops, did I break anything? Oops. Well, haven't broken anything. So as we can see, so this is the micro SD slot right here. So just wondering, where is the SIM slot as well? Okay, we have the SIM slot here, that is SIM 2 and SIM 1, as well as the micro SD slot. Overall seems to be really beautiful. Brings back good old memories when we used to rock these phones back then. And then we put this back, and yeah, the quick start guide where a lot of people don't really use. Let's put this back into the box and put it away. Let's try powering this phone on. We greeted with Nokia and the classic tone. Let's put it on auto update. Back. Thank you for choosing Nokia 3310. There we go. I haven't inserted a SIM slot into it, and let's see what's the menu like. Okay, this is the go to button and the menu here. Game loft. Oh, epic. The game that a lot of us love to play. I prefer a blue, and 5 you press and 6. Basically, you can make a 360 with a snake now, which was really a hard task previously. It was just one tap. Right now the calibration is such that you can make a 360 with a snake, and there. Poor score. Nope. Let's get back to the menu and see what else is waiting for us. Oh, we have a weather app now, a radio, a video player, calculator, notes, alarm clock, extras and files, dual SIM settings, counter, voice recorder. Brilliant. So let's see the camera for once. Camera. Let's try shooting this. I know it's the worst prop for it, but yeah, couldn't find anything close, sorry. A 2 MP camera. The shot is good, and it's a little yellow for my taste, but yeah, still good. So that's it for today, guys. I will get back to you once I get using this phone, and I'll give you a review about the audio quality on the phone. And yeah, that's it for today. Have a great weekend. Have fun. Take care, guys.